Hi Lana, welcome once again to Learner's Coach. So here we literally learn about any technical stuff, be it hardware, software, or any kind of new technology. So today I want to briefly show you how to examine your files. Yeah, like for example, if you're a computer technician or someone who deals with computer repair, this particular tool is going to help you or enable you identify one of the files or the files that occupy the large or the most space within the computer of your client. So this particular software is very fast, as you are going to see now. If for instance, if you want to determine maybe the kind of space that a particular folder or file occupies within a computer, it's really very difficult. As you can see, in this particular computer I have opened, there's some kind of folders, but I can't really determine their size. Is very fast. Like for example, I just need to for example, right click is when I select properties, is when I can get the right size, which is going to take a lot of time. So this particular software or program is very free, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So you can see this one is very hectic. You can't really tell the size, you can't tell where the particular file is, right? But with this particular software that I'm going to show you, is going to make your work very easy. So you don't really need to have any technical skills. So you just need to download it and start analyzing the files or folders within your computer. So let's go. Just open your browser and then type WizTree. It's a very WizTree is a very free software, right? So very free software. So you just have to you can go to the official page. The official, after you have typed WizTree, you will go to the official page, which is actually diskanalyzer.com. They actually changed the name. It was WizTree.com. So there you go. So this is a software, right? And you can learn more about it. You can go to the about, what is the features that it has. Maybe you can quickly examine the features, right, before we download it. So you can see it offers disk space analysis. You can identify the largest file. You can very fast search for a file within your computer. You can export, import, very fast. So these tools are free. These features are very free from WizTree. That's why I've taken time to really introduce you to this particular software that can come in handy. So also there are some guides, also some apps associated with it. Just click within the description. I've shared the this particular URL link, and you will be here in a matter of seconds, right? So we want to download, so you just need to click on the download, or even you can come to the home page and it's going to give you that particular option. So it's very free. You just need to donate if you are actually pleased with the what it offers. So you can see there are various plans here. The supported version, you can always, but you will go with this free personal use, which offers a lot of features, right? So let's download. You can select which option to choose, whether download installer or download portable. Let's just select download installer. So the bottom left, you can see it's downloading. I think it's even, and then you can install it. It's straightforward. Installation is very straightforward. So just select yes, right? So just click OK. There you go. The step-by-step process. Accept. Next. So within a few seconds or a matter of a minute, you'll be done. So let's launch it. Remember, it's very free. You just need to download. So I'm using Windows 10, so I think it also supports other versions of operating systems, right? So this is a free version. That's why it comes with this kind of a banner of donate. But for the ones that you purchase, is not going to have all these kind of banners up here. So at the top right, top left of of this particular software, you can see it provides you with the various options or drives or actually storage devices that are attached to your computer. Yeah. Right now, I just have one. I think I just have one. Of course, it's one partition: the hard disk, local disk. Yeah. These are no, other one is reserved. Yeah. So if you want to, for example, know, for example, which particular file occupies or folder that occupies the most space within your computer, be it laptop or any digital device, you have to select the storage option that you have first. Yeah. Now, mostly these will come in handy when maybe there's a particular malware or virus that has actually or is actually consuming a lot of space. So it's going to help you understand which particular folder or file that has been affected. So in my case, let me just select the local disk because that is what is available, and then I'll give it time to maybe analyze. Yeah, it will take, you can see the process of scanning. So it's scanning and it's going to bring some kind of a tree like structure to show how my various files and folders are organized, as you can see. Yeah, so in a matter of seconds I can determine that I have the C drive that occupies 100%. Then you can see the rest of the files and folders, right? So you can see, even you can go ahead and click on the plus signs and it's going to give you a lot of information for the specific files and folders, right? I'll hold there. I won't really open the various files and folders because of security reasons, but you have the chance, right, to really move up to the final, or actually the smallest file or folder that you have within your computer, and see which kind of folder or file occupies the most space within your hard disk, and you can delete it or maybe examine it further and see why it's occupying a lot of space. Also, it helps you identify whether there's some kind of unwanted files or unwanted folders within your computer. As you can see on the left or right side, also you can see there are extensions. Maybe if you're not familiar with the softwares that you have installed, yeah, maybe they are kind of virus or malware, you can always identify them and delete them. At the bottom, you can see there's some kind of graphically arranged, yeah, structure. Like these ones, you can see I have some cartoons here that occupies almost 10 GB, videos, they occupy 16 GB, and so on. Yeah, so you can always tell which particular folder occupies a lot of space, and any other additional feature that you might find maybe useful, you can always use it from the Wiz tree. So just click within the description, and then you can be able to download this particular free software. I've been using it, so you don't really need to crack your head in determining which file, which folder, where is it stored, and so on. So this can very, very fast scan for you the files and folders that you're looking for. So I think this particular software is going to be helpful. All right, thanks.